Welcome back to 5minSmart. Today, we are looking at the next critical bottleneck threatening the AI revolution, the Agentic AI Power Wall.
Exactly, Liam. As tech giants transition from simple chat assistants to fully autonomous AI agents capable of continuous multi-step reasoning, computational demands are skyrocketing exponentially.
Standard large language models process single prompt queries, but autonomous AI agents execute hundreds of background loops, tool calls, and verification steps for every single user task.
That structural shift requires unprecedented memory bandwidth and continuous power consumption, causing hyperscalers to hit a hard physical infrastructure wall.
In fact, top data center operators report that electricity supply and thermal cooling limits, not just chip availability, are becoming the primary constraint on next-generation AI model deployment.
This has triggered a hyper-competitive surge in next-gen silicon architectures, from TSMC's 2-nanometer node expansion to advanced high-bandwidth memory HBM4 integrations.
Silicon Valley giants like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Amazon are now racing to build dedicated nuclear and geothermal energy contracts just to power their 2027 agentic AI clusters.
On Wall Street, investors are closely watching which chip makers and power utility providers can solve this energy density crisis to capture the next wave of AI enterprise revenue.
Smaller AI startups without direct energy equity or custom silicon access are facing severe margin compression as token inference costs remain high.
That means the agentic AI era won't just be decided by software algorithms, but by physical power grids, semiconductor packaging, and capital endurance.
So as AI agents begin performing real enterprise workflows, energy efficiency becomes the ultimate economic moat.
Exactly. Now, here is today's smart-sounding sentence for your next meeting.
As the AI industry shifts from interactive LLM prompting to persistent agentic workflows, computational energy density and HBM memory bandwidth have surpassed raw chip count as the primary determinants of data center scaling.
Repeat that in your next executive call to instantly sound like the smartest person in the room.
That is today's 5 Min Smart. Subscribe, hit the bell, and stay smart out there.